Hey, this is...
Can just remove my IC, right?
Classmates.
My school.
It looked fun and peer pressure.
I had actually never heard of Swift.
I actually wanted to learn a new programming language.
Learning about how to make apps for iOS.
The class was quite scary on the first day and also very quiet. The class became more chaotic and noisy and also more fun.
It's at the first day of the lesson, the one where we practice with drones and stuff. Like, it was very interactive and also had a lot of moments where, like, example, a person actually flew the drone and crashed into the plant. And then there were others where, like, we actually flipped the drone completely and it went out of control, that kind of thing. I mean, basically all the coding that we have learned, because like before this, all I know was like dragging blocks to make code. But now I know how to actually like type out the actual code enough to make an actual app.
Friends, memories, fun. Like, I can literally just go into any room here and I can tell a story about what happened in that room, which I think is like a really precious thing.
We were tempted to do some ambitious things, which I think we managed to pull off some, but we also managed our expectations. So I think all in all, like, even though there are multiple challenges along the way, I think me and my group actually produced quite a fun app. So download it, please. Thank you.
So basically, in our group, it was quite tough because my group was composed of people that couldn't attend like the offline sessions. So basically, we're the leftovers, quote-unquote leftovers. I didn't get to pick my own teammates, but it's okay.
First, announcements will be made, so we'll settle all the administrative matters.
There'll be some slides that they have to go through and content. So they'll spend like the first hour or so going through the content, and then after that, we'll have like some project work that we get to do. So we get to like apply what knowledge that we've learned into some mini projects, and then after that we'll like submit it, and then you get to see other people's work as well.
And it will end off with a Kahoot quiz to test our knowledge, and like I love the Kahoot quizzes because it's really fun and informative. It was definitely when I finished my app, because we were all panicking just a few days ago. We all stayed out until like 3 because we thought we couldn't finish our app. So when we finally finished it, we were just like, oh, finally, we did it.
Something, well, not like jokes exactly, it's like the slides are interesting, I guess. The most like memorable one is there was a slide for API and there was a lot of cats and those YJ's cats, yeah. That's like the one thing I remember most about it.
Nothing especially memorable, I guess. It's all so precious that they're all the same.
Interesting.
But interesting is such a boring word.
Fun, enriching.
Memorable.
Eye-opening.
Exciting.
It's love! There's a quote by Sigmund Freud called how bold one gets when one is sure of being loved. You see me being all outgoing and everything, but that really wouldn't have happened if I didn't know that there are friends here whom I can lean on, whom I can rant to, and they will just support me whatever I do here. Except crime, okay? yeah, that's a different story. You get what I mean.
Launching. So the Swift Accelerator program, at least for me, didn't just accelerate my skills in Swift. It literally launched it up. It yeeted it straight into space. It increased my skills to such an amount that I didn't know was possible. So yeah, it wasn't just an accelerator, it was a rocket launcher.
Unpredictable. I feel like every lesson is really fun and interesting, but there's always something that I didn't expect, whether it be in the Kahoot or in the presentations or just some random thing that happens during the lesson.